So I recently did a video talking about the Huawei situation with the new Mate 30 and Mate 30 Pro, where it doesn't come with the Google services. And I said that somebody might be able to figure it out to get the Google services on that device since it's already running Android. But even if somebody doesn't figure it out, the way that Huawei is approaching this situation is not a bad idea, by building their own app store and encouraging developers to start building apps for their store. They're already running Android, so those developers are not really making a big leap as far as a new development platform. So it might not be a bad thing to go that solo route. I mean, Apple is doing it with their device right now. So here's the problem that I see with this whole thing with the Google services and stuff like that. Now, every Android manufacturer is actually relying on Google and their services. So if anything should happen with Google, that means all these Android phones are null and void. As far as Google services, that is. No more apps that you can download from their app store. And the Huawei situation is proof that that situation is very volatile. Now, with Apple making their own store and making their own device, nobody can shut them down but themselves. So with Huawei forced to go on this route of building their own store, I don't think it's a bad idea. And a lot of other manufacturers that's running on an Android might want to have a plan of action in place just in case. And I'm talking like Samsung and LG and all those other phone manufacturers out there that's running Android. Because if Apple proved that you can have your own store and your own device, I think Huawei will be alright. It's going to take them a little while, but I don't think it's going to be that hard to port those apps over since it's already running Android. And I don't think it's going to be that difficult to install the app because most of these stores, they run on the same concept. You find an app, you click the button, install it, and it start running. So it's not going to be too much of a learning curve. So I don't think it's going to get hard to build your own store based on what you see right now, because the developer is still going to get paid and people will still buy the phone as long as it's supported by the company. Now, how much support they're going to get from the developer, well, that's going to be a shaky ground, but we don't know. We'll see what happens. But all I'm saying is you have to really be like Apple. You have to have control over your store and control over your device. Because if you constantly rely on another company's store to put apps on your device, then any of these other companies can end up being in the same situation. Anyway, so that's my 2 cents on this topic about going independent with your own store, because it's more beneficial to you as a company to have that control instead of relying on somebody else to provide an app store for you. So I hope Huawei survive with this phone situation that's going on. But even if they don't survive with the smartphone, they got other things going on with the company, so they will survive in other areas. Anyway, so that's going to be it for this video. I want to thank you for taking the time for watching it. I look forward to see you next time. Have a good one.